This is a 2006 Dodge Charger, got the 6.1 hemi in it. Had a pretty good clicking noise going on from the engine. It was evident it was probably a valve lifter. We pulled the heads off, pulled one head off so far on the side that it was doing it. The first one there, which is right here, kind of hard to show in a video, but this roller here, you can kind of feel it moving. And plus, when it rolls, it's real like it's grinding or something. There's the heads and stuff we took off. I'm going to go ahead and send everything out and get it inspected and get this thing back together with a new set of lifters, and it should be good to go.